Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today I'm going to explain why is the sky blue. The sky appears blue because of a phenomenon called Rayleigh scattering, which is the process by which sunlight interacts with tiny molecules in Earth's atmosphere and is scattered in all directions. There are some basic concepts as to why the sky is blue. First concept, sunlight and the electromagnetic spectrum. Sunlight that appears white is actually made up of different colors of light with different wavelengths. If we pass white light through a prism, we would see it split into the colors of the rainbow, from red, the longest wavelength, to violet, the shortest wavelength. In the atmosphere, sunlight encounters air molecules, mainly nitrogen and oxygen, as well as other small particles such as dust and water vapor. When light hits these particles, some of them are scattered in various directions. The second basic concept, Rayleigh scattering. Why is blue the dominant color? When the wavelength of light is longer than the size of the scattering particles, such as air molecules, this scattering is more effective for light with shorter wavelengths, such as blue and purple, compared to red light which has a longer wavelength. However, even though purple light is also scattered, the human eye is more sensitive to blue because of the presence of cone cells in the retina that are more responsive to blue than purple. In addition, some of the violet light is also absorbed by the ozone layer in the upper atmosphere. This is why the sky is more likely to appear blue than purple. The third basic concept. Why is the sky a different color under certain conditions? At sunset or sunrise, when the sun is low in the sky, light must pass through a thicker layer of atmosphere. On this long journey, light with shorter wavelengths, such as blue and violet, is more scattered and absorbed by the atmosphere, so that only light with longer wavelengths such as red and orange remain dominant and reach our eyes. This is why the sky at sunset or sunrise appears red, orange, or even golden. In addition, atmospheric conditions can also affect the color of the sky at dusk or dawn. Dust particles, smoke, or air pollution can strengthen the scattering of red and orange light, makes the sky colors at sunrise or sunset appear more dramatic and intense. The fourth basic concept, cloudy skies. Why does it look gray? When the sky is cloudy, the sky does not appear blue as usual, but more likely gray or white. This is caused by thick clouds blocking sunlight. Clouds consist of water droplets or ice crystals that are much larger than air molecules. Unlike Rayleigh scattering, which causes blue skies, clouds experience Mie scattering, which is scattering by larger particles. Mie scattering scatters all wavelengths of light evenly, so the sky appears gray or white instead of blue. The thicker the clouds, the less light can pass through them, causing the sky to appear darker. The fifth basic concept, the sky when it rains. Why does it look darker? When it rains, the sky usually looks grayer or even darker, depending on the intensity of the rain and the thickness of the clouds. Raindrops absorb and scatter more light than ordinary air molecules. The larger and denser the water droplets, the less sunlight can penetrate, making the sky appear darker. Rain also increases humidity in the air, which can cause more light to be absorbed and scattered, reducing the brightness of the sky. In a heavy storm, very thick rain clouds can make the sky appear almost black, as almost all sunlight is blocked. Basic concept 6, the sky before and after rain. Why does it look yellow or orange? Sometimes, before or after rain, the sky can appear yellow, orange, or even greenish. This can be caused by several factors. First factor, sunlight low on the horizon, as at dusk, must pass through a thick atmosphere, which is already filled with water vapor and dust particles due to rain. This can cause red and orange light to be more dominant. Second factor, the presence of dust particles and pollutants in the air, which can mix with humidity and change the way light is scattered. The final factor, sunlight that still penetrates the clouds from the side can give an unusual colorful effect, depending on the thickness of the clouds and the position of the sun. The seventh basic concept, sky colors on other planets. The sky color phenomenon also occurs on other planets in our solar system, but the results can vary depending on the composition of the planet's atmosphere. Mars. The Martian atmosphere consists of carbon dioxide with lots of red dust particles. This causes the sky on Mars to appear red or orange during the day, but at sunset, The sky actually appears grayish-blue because the dust scatters differently than on Earth. Venus's atmosphere is very thick and filled with highly reflective sulfuric acid clouds, giving the sky a yellow-orange appearance. So the conclusion is that the sky looks blue because of Rayleigh scattering, which causes light with shorter wavelengths, blue, to be scattered more than other colors. However, the color of the sky can change depending on the time of day, atmospheric conditions, weather, and the presence of pollutants or other particles in the air. Similar phenomena also occur on other planets, but the results depend on. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video until the end. I hope you can understand what I explained, and I apologize if there are any mistakes or lack of explanation in my explanation. See you guys in the next video.